Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Tony back in the dungeon, you know what I'm saying? And first and foremost, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit subscribe, you know what I'm saying? And hit like on this video and the other videos that you may watch. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now, let's get right into it. You already seen this thumbnail. You already seen what the video is about. We're going to talk about my top 3 Jordans in my collection. Not my top 3 of all time, but the 3 that I like in my collection. So, without further ado, let's get into the shoes. That's looking real good. Yo, so first of the 3 in my collection that I, you know what I'm saying, I cherish, I would say, yeah, I cherish, because these 3 right here, nah, 2 of the 3 is still dead stock. So, first thing, we got the motherfucking Air Jordan 4 Retro Fire Red. Boom! Hit you with a little B-roll right now.
Jamie on the beat, boy.
So, main reason I like this shoe, other than it being my favorite color, you know what I'm saying? This came out the year I was born, 1989. And if you already seen my Fire Red video from last year, you already know why I like this shoe. But it got re-retro, you know what I'm saying, in the OG tooling, they would call it. Nike Air on the back, you know what I'm saying. Usually had a Jumpman, but we got the Nike Air. We got the Flight on the front. And that's number 1 of my top 3 in my collection. So, let's get into the next shoe. What we have. Put this down. We're going to just do it in order, by numbers. So that was the 4. Let's get to the 5. Second favorite shoe in my collection. You know what I'm saying? Off-White 5 in the Cell colorway. I don't really like all the stuff that Virgil do and the Off-White stuff, but these is a classic. These just hit. They hit right. You know what I'm saying? Let me grab these right there. So it's basically this shoe, which I wear my kicks. You see how dirty that is. Basically this shoe, and it did a little flippy flip. You know what I'm saying? It's deconstructed, so you can see through the shoe, and you can tell the differences on the back. You know what I'm saying? You got the fat booty on these. This is less, and these are actually way lighter compared to this one. So we got the fat tongue on the OG, and then we got the skinny tongue because it's supposed to be deconstructed, so you can see how thin that is compared to the OG. So, it's a classic. He made a classic from a classic. So shout out to Virgil. That was my number 2 shoe. Let me hit you with a little B-roll. Get a little personal with it. I don't think I ever did a review on these. I was so happy when I got them. I wore them straight up. So, it's 5 back. Put that 5 back. Alright, put this down. Alright. Number 3. DS. Dead stock. Never been worn. I need to, you know what I'm saying, figure out what I'm gonna wear with these. But my number 3, favorite Air Jordan in my collection, it's gonna have to be the Carmine 6. And you already seen this video. What I had to go through to get these. Immaculate. Still got the shoe tree in there. So B-roll. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this has been my top 3. Let me see if I can get all 3 in my hands. Here we go. Can I do this? They dead stock, so my shirt ain't gonna get dirty. Never been worn. You know what I'm saying? This is my top 3. This might be the thumbnail. Thumbnail? Thumbnail? Nah. Anyway, this is my top 3, you know what I'm saying, in my collection right now. And you all should be expecting more videos like this. So I went through the release calendar, and honestly, there's not too many shoes coming, sneakers, Nikes, Jordans, Adidas, whatever, that I am excited for. So in an effort to build more content, I'll probably go back and get some shoes that I want that I never got a chance to cop. We'll probably do some top 10, top 3 type shit. And just keep it rocking, man, you know what I'm saying? And like always, hit like, subscribe. Thanks for watching Unboxed on Toni TV. And I'm out.